Assalamu alaikum, namaskar, hello. Welcome to episode 3 of the MICS podcast, where we will cover some interesting insights of setting up a bank account in UAE, whether business or personal. I, Pratik Toshniwal, with my colleague Shweta Soni, will take you through this step by step. Hi Shweta, how are you today?
I'm fine, Pratik. What about you?
I'm doing good. So Shweta, lot of people tell me that setting up a bank account is very difficult in UAE. Is it so?
Yes, that is true. Setting up a business bank account is time consuming and it can take so much efforts to get the bank account. It is due to the regulations and requirements by the central bank, and these requirements are designed to protect UAE's financial system and promote the right business in the UAE. So that's why it is very difficult. Pratik, but I would like to share one fantastic achievement with you. MICS team has opened the business bank account for more than 68 plus nationalities in the UAE. So
Wow, that's excellent. Difficult, but 68 nationalities have been opened. So very interestingly, I would also want to understand, because a lot of people would want to know this, how many banks are there in UAE, and whether mainland, free zone and offshore companies can open bank accounts, or it is only the mainland companies that can open bank accounts?
So there are many local banks here, and even the international banks are having the presence in the UAE.
Wow.
And whether your company is located in the mainland, free zone or offshore, you can certainly have a bank account in the UAE. Even if your activity is high risk, such as gold trading, bullion trading, oil, even for the crypto enthusiastic people, we have opened the bank account. So
Excellent.
yeah, and if you would like to invest in UAE and you don't want to take your Emirates ID or visa, you don't want to do all those things, we can open for you non-resident bank account, so you can invest in the UAE easily. So we can meet with your all banking needs.
Excellent. Marhaba, come to Dubai. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for more such insights, and the next episode we will cover what are the important documents to take care when opening a bank account. So stay tuned with us. Thank you, Shweta, for today.
Welcome.